Hola! Hello, I'm Khrystyna and I'm from Germany, and I really love this Erasmus Tenerife course. I had really a lot of fun to leave my own comfort zone in all of kind of activities, to try out new things in a very playful way. And I learned a lot about social inclusion. Well, I learned more, and I'm glad about bringing this new knowledge to my institution. And as well, I love this way for discovering this island and learning about different diversity groups in our society, and just like broaden my own horizon. And yeah, I'll be back.
This course has really been an activity-based learning course, and you have to be, as a participant, really present to experience and learn from this course, and I really appreciate that. I also really appreciate the diversity of the group, and that we can learn so much from each other, from our experience and countries and languages. And I will bring back many of those exercises back to my work as a profession. So, thank you.